Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So what exactly ENSO is and why do El Nino and La Nina affect rainfall, monsoon and global climate? So in this video let's understand this concept in a very simplest way. So let's begin with ENSO. Here ENSO stands for El Nino Southern Oscillations. It is a natural interaction between the tropical Pacific Ocean and the atmosphere that influences weather and patterns across the globe. Under normal conditions, strong trade winds blow from east to west, pushing warm surface water towards Indonesia and Australia. This allows cold, nutrient-rich water to rise near Peru and Ecuador through a process called upwelling. This system keeps changing between three phases: normal conditions, El Nino and La Nina. Together these repeating phases form the ENSO cycle. Now let's come to La Nina. During La Nina, trade winds become even stronger. More warm water is pushed westward while stronger upwelling keeps the eastern Pacific cooler than normal. During El Nino, trade winds weaken, warm water spreads eastward, reducing upwelling near South America and making the eastern Pacific warmer than the normal. Notice the thermocline in La Nina, it becomes shallower in the eastern Pacific, allowing cold water to reach the surface more efficient. While in contrast, during El Nino, the thermocline deepens in the eastern Pacific. As a result, cold water cannot rise easily and sea surface temperatures increases. So remember the sequence: normal conditions maintain balance, warms the eastern Pacific, and La Nina cools it. The entire cycle repeats irregularly every 2 to 7 years. The southern oscillation refers to the changes in atmospheric pressure between the eastern and western Pacific. These pressure changes control the strength of the trade winds and drive the ENSO cycle. That's the complete concept of ENSO, El Nino and La Nina in just a few minutes. If this capsule made the topic easier to understand, don't forget to subscribe to Science Pathshala for more quick revision capsules. For those who don't know, in Spanish language, a small boy is called El Nino and a small girl is called La Nina. Thank you so much.